Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Arctis 9X. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your headphones. Those headphones have pinhole under the ear cushion, non-microphone side, that has a reset button. Remove the cushion and the pinhole is located right here. Use something like paper clip to press it into the pinhole, and that's how you reset your headphones to factory defaults. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.